You have already written and published 2 sample articles. Now it's time to write your first article for clients. So how you can choose a topic to write? First, visit any website and see what type of articles they publish. For example, at SitePoint.com they publish articles about HTML and CSS, JavaScript, mobile, marketing, and so many other topics. And they need different type of content. You can write short articles, 5 to 700 words articles. You can also write some lengthy articles, 8 to 1500 words. And you can also write tutorials. And remember, for tutorials you will pay up to $300 at SitePoint.com. If you love photography, you can write about photography. If you are an expert Photoshop user, you can write about Adobe Photoshop. You can also create video content for SitePoint.com. Next, we need to read SitePoint's submission guidelines. Send an email with your pitch to editor at SitePoint.com, and you need to follow these instructions. Title of the article or headline. Here you can see different title: 8 PayPal alternatives for your online business, an introduction to gulp.js, and some other post titles. So this is a list article. Let's suppose you want to write a list article for SitePoint and you want to write about writing apps for Windows user. You need to make sure there isn't any article about writing apps for Windows at SitePoint.com. Otherwise, they won't accept your article. You need to provide fresh content. Just visit google.com and search writing apps SitePoint.com. Now you can see writing your first Android app, 12 Android tutorials for beginners, and if you will scroll down, at the end you can see the ultimate writing toolkit, 22 awesome writing tools. Just open this article in new tab, read this article and see how they formatted this article. Because SitePoint has already published an article about writing tools, so you should choose another topic or you should choose another blog. For example, let's search for developer drive. They have also published 40 plus tools for writing better PHP, 10 best open source tools for web developers, 40 tools for writing better CSS, but you cannot find any article about writing apps for Windows user. So you can write article about top 10 best writing apps for Windows and submit at developerdrive.com. But you need to make sure that Developer Drive or any blog which you choose accept articles about your topic. Developerdrive.com focuses on web design and development, and they accept articles only about web design and development. So they are not interested in Windows apps. You will have to choose another blog such as plzz or any other website. Here you can see an article how to write a novel on your Mac. So it means you can write an article about Mac apps. plzz accept articles about Mac apps. So writing apps for Mac. Search. There isn't any article about writing apps, 15 best productivity apps for your Mac business. But you cannot find article about writing apps for Mac users. So you can write and submit article at plzz.com. In my next video, you will learn how to pitch. Now go ahead and complete your article.